Whether you're afraid of spiders or just want to study them closely, My Critter Catcher makes it painless to catch and release them. Squeeze the handle to open the bristles, and then release to grip the bug. Once you're outside, squeeze it again to release. Besides giving you comfortable distance, the 25-inch handle helps you scoop up bugs that may otherwise be out of reach. Because the inner bristles are made of soft, flexible nylon, they're gentle and won't harm the bug. The outer bristles are firmer to keep the grip, which is especially good for bigger spiders, beetles, and even roaches. Maker Tony Allen created My Critter Catcher for his son, who's afraid of spiders. Since spiders are actually helpful predators that get rid of other pests, Tony wanted a harm-free way to evict them.
I came up with the idea for this product because of my son Robert had a fear of spiders, and I got the job of catching and removing them. And as I did not like to harm them, I had to find a better way than using a tumbler and a piece of card, which was not always that successful, particularly when the spider took off into a corner. I was always a bit of an ideas man, so I set about developing a product that would allow me to catch and release insects without harming them. The solution was the bristlehead.
We believe My Critter Catcher is a great gadget for arachnophobes and insect lovers alike. You don't need that one person in the house to be the token household bug catcher. Now, anyone can do it.
God damn! That's not how it works! Calm down.
No, so now you can, wait, no, you're good, calm down. Okay, so now what you can do, okay, calm down, you're okay, he's not gonna hurt you. Okay.
The Nano Magic Tape is made from poo gel. Uses a technology of Nano. With durable, double-sided self-adhesive, transparent, no residue, removable and washable feature. Equipped with a powerful permanent adhesive, this double-sided tape defies gravity, holding an item of up to 20 pounds. This magic nano tape is so easy to use and won't leave anything behind when removed. It's weather resistant, for a long-lasting bond, indoors and outdoors. It is ideal for use on finish/painted surfaces, metal, tile, laminate, plastic and more. So whether you're mounting shelves in your new apartment, or adding a wall organizer to the garage, the Magic Nano Tape does the job quickly, easily and without the hassle of tools. You can get the Magic Nano Tape through the link in the description below. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.
that smell? Is that yesterday's lunch? Whose turn is it to take out the trash? Ugh, is that garbage juice all over the floor? Life is messy. It's busy and it gets real gooey and sticky.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes you don't have the time and energy to deal with everything. The last thing you want to deal with is your trash. That's why I choose to use townew, a trash can designed to be the cleaner, simpler, and faster way to deal with your trash. With townew in your home, you don't have to deal with the smell, that sticky buildup, or that gross feeling that comes from having to touch the trash. You see, with a wave of your hand, townew's lid automatically opens. But most impressively, this trash can's secret weapon is an innovative sealing technology that seals the bag for you. So you can simply toss the trash without having to look at the mess or smell yesterday's leftovers. Then it's smart enough to close itself up and automatically pulls a new bag into place. Townew was able to do this because the bags are not your traditional individual bags, but rather an affordable removable ring of recyclable materials, which is cut and sealed by the built-in thermoplastic sealing technology. Each refill ring can create up to 25 durable trash bags and can be bought in bulk. And it doesn't end there. It also has an overload feature that detects when the trash can is really full, lifting the top so it can seal the bag, guaranteeing you no spillage. All you have to do is grab the bag and throw it away. No leakage, no stink, no mess. If you could make taking out the trash just a tad cleaner, a bit easier, and a little faster, wouldn't you? Townew, a little less messy, even on a good day.
Begin your kapp installation by following the illustrated guide included in the box to properly install the mounting bracket. The illustrated guide can also be found at smartkapp.com. Once that is complete, simply hang the kapp board on the bracket. Fasten the bottom screws for a more optimal experience. Plug in the power cable and the board will automatically turn on. Go to the Apple app or Google Play Store, or scan the QR code to download the kapp app. If you already have the kapp app, simply scan the QR code to connect and you are ready to go.